Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, August 16th. Time is around 5:50 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So first of all, somebody asked me in the comments section, like if I change between time frames, like from the 4 hour to the 1 hour. That here I have on the 1 hour additional information which you cannot see on the 4 hour, for instance. I do this like if all this information from the 1 hour would be on the 4 hour, there would be a mess and I would not be able to read this anymore. So the way to do this is like for any attribute you have on your chart in trading view, you can go to visibility, and there you decide on which time frame you want to see it. So if I would make 4 hours here or 24 hours, this would also be visible in the 4 hour time frame. But so I prefer this to only be visible on the 1 hour and lower. So I exclude the daily, the weekly, and the 4 hour time frame. So this is how this works. So if you would also have any question, please just react in the comment section, and then I will deal with your question. So now let's start the analysis. So I believe this here was a wave 3, and we are currently working on this wave 4. We reached the area of this wave 4, and now we have to see if this will be here a shallow wave 4, which should be finished soon, or do we get something deeper, a deeper correction into this area. If we get a deeper correction, I would expect that the way that this would play out is that we soon finish here, that we get some rally to the upside, that the rally fails, and that we go down again in 3, 1, 2, 3 down deeper into this area. But for now, I think this part of the correction or the full correction might be finished soon. If we look at the 1 hour, so I labeled this here as a WX Y pattern, and so this here then is the A, the B, and the C of the wave W. Then here we had the shallow wave X, and now we have our wave Y, and this wave Y should again consist of a corrective structure, here in this case in ABC. So I believe this is the A, this is the B, and now we are working on the C. So we are able to define some areas of interest. First of all, if we take the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension is the area where this wave Y should end. That's one. And then secondly, we can also, like if this is an ABC here, we can define the area where our wave C should end. We take the length of our wave A, we take the length of our wave B, then the area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension is the area where our wave C should end. So we are approaching these areas. These are the areas from where I would like to go long. Now, there's also a chance that our wave C was finished here. And so if our wave C is finished here, also our wave Y is finished here, and also our wave 4 is finished here. So yeah, if it would play out like this, that the correction was over here, then I missed my entry, but that's okay. Then I look for another entry. The next pullback in the way up, I will try to buy. Then my system is telling me to wait for these areas, so I wait for these areas. But yeah, there might be a chance that we are finished here, and then yeah, the impulse can actually start. Like this can be our wave one, probably two, and then three, four, five, and we are taking off like that. That could be a possibility. But yeah, I wait for these areas to go long. If you believe the low was in here, then you can go long from here against this low. But for me, this is not really a strong low. I still think this can be the C here. One, two, three, four, five, down into these areas. So this is what I'm anticipating on. From here, I would like to go long. So I expect more downsides, but this does not mean that this becomes here a good short trade. Why? Because your invalidation level is actually here, and so that would mean that yeah, risk reward. This is not good. Um, the downside is also limited, like these areas here, and yeah, like I said in the beginning, it can also be over here, which would mean that we would simply go up from here. So therefore, I believe yeah, a short rate with the data we currently have is not such a good idea. Although I'm expecting a bit more downside. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for today, long from here. Um, if you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.